Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add green screen effect in Splice. Splice is a user-friendly mobile video editor that lets you create professional video quickly, and one of its coolest features is the green screen effect, which allows you to replace a solid background with an image or the video, perfect for the creative effect, virtual background or the fun overlays. First, you need to launch your Splice on your phone, and you can also open to an existing project or tap on your project to start fresh, as I'm going to select one of the drafts over here, and it will import to the main video you want to appear in front of the green screen. And over here on the bottom we can find the overlay just beside the audio. Select to this overlay here and it will take you to the library. What you can do is select any of the video or the image with a green background from your library, as I'm going to select one of the photo. And after that, in the top right we can find this add. Select there and it will appear above your main video in the timelines. You can select any of the effects or the chroma key green option. Select a filter with the green screen and the green will now become the transparent, revealing. And that is it. Using the green screen effect in the Splice can turn ordinary clips into creative production. It is great for adding virtual background, fun animation or dynamic overlays. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.